Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Cooking with Efya. If you are new here, you are warmly welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. Your love and support mean the world to me. Today's recipe is one of the most comforting meals you will ever make. Authentic Ghanaian chicken and beef light soup is rich, flavorful, and you will love it. In fact, everyone has their own way of making light soup. But today I'm sharing exactly how I make mine at home. You will love it. So I'll begin by preparing my vegetables because they are the heart of this soup. For this recipe, I'm using fresh tomatoes, onion, garden eggs, carrots, pepper, and you can also use any vegetable of your choice and you are good to go. Now I'll go in with enough water, cover the pot, and allow it to cook until it softens very well. While the vegetables are cooking, let's prepare our meat. Today I'm using both chicken and beef. I love combining these two because each one contributes something different to the soup. The chicken gives a naturally rich stock that is light but incredibly flavorful. The beef has a deep, hearty taste that makes every spoonful satisfying. Together they create the perfect balance. I've already washed my chicken and beef thoroughly with clean water and transferred them into a clean cooking pot. Now it's time to season them. I'm adding my Aromate chicken bouillon tablet, and also I'll go in with some blended onions, fresh ginger, and garlic. You can as well use any herbs or spice of your choice. Now I'll go in with some tomato paste. Add salt to taste, stir everything once again, and then cover the pot and allow it to cook until it's nice and ready. I love using Aromate because it enhances the natural taste of the meat without overpowering it. In fact, it simply brings all the flavors together and gives the soup a delicious homemade taste. Wow, the aroma coming from the pot is absolutely incredible. Everything is cooking beautifully, and now it's time to combine everything. Yes, let's give it a quick stir. We will cover again and allow the chicken to soften a little bit. But before that, let's add a little water to it to soften it very well. And we are back to check on our vegetables, and as you can see, everything is looking absolutely perfect. The tomatoes, the garden eggs, in fact everything has softened very nicely, and that's what we are looking for. Now we're going to add a little water to the vegetables and allow it to cool down a little bit before we blend. At this point, the chicken and beef have released a rich, flavorful stock. The aroma coming from the pot is absolutely incredible. Now it's time to combine everything. I'll slowly pour the blended vegetables into the pot with the meat. Immediately you can see the transformation. The soup changes into a beautiful rich color. Give everything a gentle stir so the blended vegetables mix evenly with the meat stock. Now, since I'll be enjoying the soup with fufu, I'll go in with okra and also garden eggs. This is totally optional. You can also try and thank me later. Now cover the pot again and allow the soup to simmer gently. This is where all the flavors begin to come together. As it simmers, the fresh vegetables absorb the meat stock and the meat absorbs the flavors from the vegetables. This slow cooking process creates a soup that is rich, balanced, and full of flavor. After allowing the soup to simmer for a while, it's time for the most important step. Always taste your food. Every batch of tomatoes is different, and every pepper is also different as well. So tasting helps you know whether anything needs adjusting. If necessary, add a little more salt. Now allow the soup to continue simmering gently. One thing I love about light soup is that it doesn't need to be rushed. The longer it simmers gently, the richer and more delicious it becomes. Now that our soup is ready, it's time to serve. Today I'm serving mine with soft, freshly pounded fufu. Honestly, there is nothing quite like hot fufu served with homemade chicken and beef light soup. It's comforting and absolutely delicious. If fufu isn't your favorite, don't worry. You can as well enjoy this with boiled plantain, boiled yam, banku, just name it. You will love it. However, you choose to enjoy it, I promise you will love every bite. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. I always enjoy reading your feedbacks and I love seeing your recreations. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because it really supports my channel. Share this recipe with your family and friends so they can try it too. And if you are new to cooking with Efya, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out another delicious recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay blessed, keep cooking with love, and I will see you in my next delicious recipe. Bye. Cooking with Efya, yeah, the power. Cooking with Efya, come and see. Cooking with